Hey everyone, Mr. DeYoung here. With our kicking unit coming up this week, I want to do a quick video on how to make a sweatshirt ball. Okay, so you're gonna need a hoodie, and then after this, I'll do one with the jacket or something that's not a hoodie. But basically, you can see my hoodie right here, and I'm gonna make sure that I take my strings, if you have them, and put them off to the side so they don't get tucked into it. And then you're just going to take the rest of the hoodie and tuck it into the hood. All right, so you can see just stuffing the hoodie into the hood. And by the looks of it, my strings got caught up in it. And so I'm just going to kind of look to the side here. Go along here, grab one. All right, so there's one string. I'm going to find the other string, because if you have strings, you can cinch the hood, and that makes for a better ball. All right, so I cinch my hood. It's a little hard. I'll try and show you. All right, I cinch it. And I kind of stuff some stuff back in there. Mine works better if I cross them like this. All right. And then simply tie your hoodie. I'm going to just do a bow tie or a shoelace tie, I guess. This isn't necessarily a bow tie. All right. And now kind of round it out a little bit. But now you have something you could kick. If you don't have a ball like that at home, as we do our kicking. Now, I'm going to try this. All right. So I have a jacket here. It's a lightweight jacket. Sleeves are out. I am going to zip it up. Boy. I think there's a couple different ways you could do this, and maybe I'll show a couple different ways. The first way is simply to make sure that you're here. All right. Now I want to kind of make it into a ball in the middle. All right. So I've kind of made it into a ball with my sleeve still hanging out. All right. And then I'm just going to wrap my sleeve one time. See, I did one time around that way. Kind of leave it, and I take the other sleeve. I'm going to go one time around this way. All right. And then I'm going to tie my sleeves off. All right. And then you can kind of tuck them in. And you can see I have a ball that I could kick or toss and catch. So when I was zipping it up, I did see that at least in this jacket, you could see I have a pocket right here. And so on the inside of the pocket, there's this little space here. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to stuff the jacket into that little area and see what happens. All right. Again, I stuffed in that little area. It's a little more lopsided than that last ball I had, but that would work too. All right. So either way, something with long sleeves, the hood is preferred. If you don't have it, you can still make it work with a long sleeve shirt or jacket.